it's Parker here, and I'm going to show you how to do a boomerang that can go left, right, or down and up. So first, we're going to fold this edge to this edge. If it's not precise, then you can recrease. There's nothing wrong with recreasing. Open it up, turn it over, and then fold this edge to this edge. Open it up, then fold this edge to this edge. You can rotate the paper if you want, but I'm just doing it so it's understandable to see. Now rotate. I'll fold this edge to this crease. Repeat. So it looks like this. And then you're gonna pull it up. You will feel a little pull because we're landing on this crease right here. Make sure they're even. Just like you're landing on this crease. There. Sorry. Then fold it downward. Crease hard. Unfold this and unfold that. Then you're going to fold the same triangle to the line. Then take the folds again. Turn over. Now fold on this crease. Just like that. And then you're gonna fold to this corner to cover up the triangle. Push it down. Turn it over and repeat. Make sure the wings are straight. And then make some elevator on it so I can turn in a really nice circle. Sorry, again. You don't want to make it too high. You can use a second of the pinch will work. Or you could just put it down to whatever you want. Alright. Now we got our airplane. I'm going to show you how this airplane flies. I'm just going to turn the camera. Oh, guys, I'm just setting up the camera. Come on, Beto. Beto. You could throw harder to make a nicer circle. Or you can add more lift. Sometimes the wings can be squiggly. Just straighten them out. I think this will be a good throw. And we're done here. Thanks for watching, guys. And I made tons of other videos too. You should go watch them. Bye.